On a personal level, he discovered something new about his working practices. Beaumont trained as a journalist in the days before the World War II, but like most of his profession, he has integrated new technologies into his new news gathering techniques as they have emerged. Peter Beaumont is the Guardian's Jerusalem correspondent. He was reported extensively from the conflict zone, including Africa, the Balkans, and the Middle East, and has reported widely on human rights issues and the impact of conflict on civilians. He is the winner of George Orwell Prize on his research, on his reports based on Iraq. Besides this, Shahbag movement is one of the significant movements conducted by the blogs and the bloggers like Imran Chaudhuri, Rajiv Haidar, and they played the role of a catalyst. The prospect of citizen journalism depends on two basic things: advancement of cell phone technology and its usage, and usage of net through laptop or PC, and reach of internet service providers. Gen Y are preferring smartphones and tablets than PC and laptop, and thus these two devices are playing crucial role. One of the primary reasons that social media works so well with mobile devices is the integration of live posting. Instead of waiting to get home to upload pictures to Facebook or Orkut or YouTube, you can add new pictures as the events occur. Live blogging and tweeting at events is another way to provide real-time updates to your social networks. Social media continues to grow with a focus towards a mobile platform. A few effects from this includes users relying on chat more than texting on the phones. Smartphones are going to continue dominating this market, and social media is going to be a big part of it. Reports suggest that Japan and Korea's 2.8 million mobile connections are 3G or above. As with fixed internet access, South Korea is streets ahead of the rest of the world when it comes to mobile internet speeds, with the country's mobile operators delivering an average connection of 18.2 Mbps, twice as much as any other nation, followed by Singapore and UK. They both have 9.1 and 8.1 Mbps respectively.